All right, so let's talk about the next data type. We have indexed arrays. Do you know what's coming next? We have associative arrays. Associative arrays. Let me make sure I spell that right. Associative arrays are sort of like, think of like, I think JavaScript has objects, Rust has hash maps. What else do they have? Python has dictionaries. It's like a key value. It's just an array, but instead of having a number, it's not indexed based on a number. It has an arbitrary string as the key. So we can make one here. Let me do this so I don't forget. So remember how we could use declare -a, but we didn't have to? When you make an associative array, you do have to use the syntax capital A. So we have to do a -A here, and now we can make our own array. So let's call it ARR. Now here's the fun thing. Associative arrays are relatively new in Bash, and when I say new, I mean like they're 15 years old, but they are in Bash 4.0 and above. So if you're thinking, I want my script to work on an older system, I should check the Bash version, right? No. You should not do version detection, you should do feature detection. The cool thing is, this declare command, you can check the exit code of. So if I run this script now, we can see that it exited 0. I was successfully able to make an associative array. You could check this and you could exit if something went wrong. So you are free to write code like this. If not declare -a an array, then echo, uh-oh, I couldn't make an associative array. Let's write that to standard error. Let's exit with 1. Let's call fee here. Otherwise, if we were here, then we were able to make the associative array. So you can write code like that, kind of defensive. If you know what kind of version of Bash you're targeting, you probably don't need to do this. But just an FYI, you could totally write it like that, and that's how you would check it. Don't check the Bash version, just check for the features that are there. I'm going to get rid of that just because this is more of a learning exercise.